Thanks for the save, bud. Whoa! Again.
There's nothing I did not like the way you move. I can try, but I can't hide it from you. 'Cause I can't wait for you.
When I see you again, when I see you again.
Remember me? It's all over now.
Or is it?
No! Hiccup!
But it feels like an eternity since I had you here with me, since I had to learn to be someone you don't know, to be with you in paradise. What I wouldn't sacrifice, why'd you have to chase the light somewhere I can't go, as I walk this world alone. It's a hell that I call home.